out! Yeppa! Excuse me, I'm late to the podium! Whee! Sorry, there's a championship I must win! Whippale! Sorry, I have to bring friends to the first world champion! I should be the champion! Today Ducati won't escape! I will attack them! No, my mission is to protect Pecco! It will be impossible for you to get close to him! What will be impossible is you taking the corner like that, Sorry, Pecco, I failed you! Time to continue with my comeback, Thanks for that, Fabio! You're next, Alex! Don't go away! You won't keep that position for much longer! When you help me to fight for the championship? I don't care, I just wanna win! Yes? Help me! Stop Marquez, please! Okay! I'm starting to hate the Marquez joke! Why always me? Yeah! I have so many cool pictures. Mir, Petrucci, Lecona, Jorge... wait, I need more Italian riders. Let's go! Time to continue with my comeback, I will help you! Whee! Diablo Motor! 38 points of advantage, not bad! Get ready, this won't be like Aragon! True, here you won't be able to attack me! Woohoo! Wow! Hey, we're in Italy, not in France! I know, I sing it in honor to the world champion. But I'm going to win the race! We'll see about that. You were right. I wasn't able to attack you. I made a great comeback today. But I won't become world champion today unless Pecco crashes. No problem. I will wait until... no way! I'm the world champion! Congratulations, Fabio! And thanks for the podium! Hey, I don't care! I'm the world champion! Yay! Oh yeah, 2 in a row! Yeah, I'm stronger than ever! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah, I am the champion, my friend! Oh, that's a devotion! Got it? Then I should work hard to avoid him getting another one.
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. You will see exclusive content like special comics and avatars. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to press the like button and leave us a comment. If you haven't done, support us on Patreon and click the subscribe button. See you on the next Grand Prix!